I came here, I thought that I need, in my life, I need to know everything before I do, and I didn't trust myself. And now I feel that I'm not scared anymore, because I know that I'm the one who creating what is going to come to me, and I have control. And when I pay attention to my thoughts and what I think, I know that I create this, and so I pay attention to what I thought, what am I thinking, and what am I saying, because it's I know that it's going to I'm going to see it in my life, the things that I'm thinking about other people. So now I have the power. I feel that I have the power. I'm not scared anymore.
Okay.
And I'm
Yeah.
very happy, and I'm a lot of thanks for Evelyn and for Excel. Sorry, I'm so excited. And for Excel, and because they have such a good heart, and they gave us the feeling that we can do it. It's like a place full of love, and full of good energy and good food, and the people were amazing from all over the world. Light, I see light all over the place. There's a big light and a big heart, and I'm happy. And it changed my life. It changed my life. S-O-U, soul.
Yes, good job. Good job.
I see the green rectangle, you say? It's
Triangle. Triangle. Yeah. Green triangle.
Circle red, and the blue. No, how do you say it?
Square.
Square. Yeah.
Good job.
Super. Well done.